In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Perplexity thread over onto Google Docs. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to Perplexity and find the chat that you would like to import over onto Google Docs. Now, there are actually multiple different ways that you're able to do this. So if your conversation is relatively small, what you could always do is you can go ahead and just highlight all the text. You can press on Control C, or you could right click and select on copy and then paste it over here onto Google Docs. That is obviously one option that you guys have. Now, of course, if your conversation is incredibly long, this isn't always practical. And what we're able to do is we're able to go to the top right of our chat that we would like to import to Google Docs, press over here where it says Session Actions, and you want to select on this option that says Export as PDF. Now, wait for it to finish. Once it is finished, go ahead and select on your file and open it up. It's going to look something like this, and you will notice that our Perplexity chat is currently in a PDF file. Now, in order to get this to actually be in Google Docs, what you want to do is you want to press over here where it says Save to Google Drive, and then a list of all your emails are going to appear, and you want to select on the email that you would like to use. Okay, then it's going to say Upload Successful, and you want to select on Open in Drive. And now check this out, it is now going to be right over here. So what you're able to do is you're able to press on these three dots. Then you're able to select on Open With, and you will notice that Google Docs is now going to be an option. So you're able to go ahead and select on it, and that is effectively going to import your entire Perplexity chat over onto Google Docs right over here. See up here it is. Yeah, and we even do have the image, which you absolutely love to see. And then from there, you can go ahead and make any necessary adjustments. You could share it, etc. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.